Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to see when a TikTok account was created. It's very easy, watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. I will tell you two methods to check when your TikTok account was created. In the first method, tap on your Gmail, it will open. In the search bar, type verification code. Look for the email by TikTok in which they sent you the verification code for your TikTok account at the time of creation of your account. Tap on it, then tap on the small arrow at the top and you will be able to see details of this email, which also includes the date on which this email was sent to you. So you can get to know the creation date of your TikTok account from here. Now just in case you are unable to find this email, there's another way, but it may or may not work for you. For this, open the TikTok app. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. In the profile page, tap on three lines from the top right corner. Tap on settings and privacy, then tap on activity center. On the next screen, tap on watch history. The watch history of your TikTok account will be shown here. Now you have to scroll down to the end of your watch history. You can also see the date here at the top left side of your screen. This is the date on which you watched the videos shown on the screen. Keep scrolling and when you reach the last video of your watch history, check its date from the top left. Note down that the last video of your watch history is the first video you watched on your TikTok account. So most probably it may be the same day or time when you created your TikTok account. And this is how you can see when a TikTok account was created.